Want to get DoorDash discount and promo code 2026? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily get discount and promo code for DoorDash. First thing first, move into Safari or any of the web browser. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for DoorDash promo code 2026. Scroll down and different sites will be visible to you. Move into any one of it. Now tons of different discounts and offers will be visible to you. From here you can select any of the specific one. Once found the specific one, click on it. The promo code will be visible to you. All you gotta do is click on copy and paste it in the section that you're asked to in the DoorDash app. If the promo code is valid, then you will be able to get certain amount of discounts and offers. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.